I'm going to be making the ultimate chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are super soft, chewy, and chocolatey. This recipe has intense cookie flavor and chocolate in every bite. And also, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every time there's a new recipe. Now let's start. To make these cookies, you will need 3/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 egg, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of flour, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips, semi-sweet or milk chocolate. Let's start by mixing in the sugars with the wet ingredients. So in a mixing bowl, add in the brown sugar and the sugar, followed by the melted butter, vanilla, and salt. Now by using a whisk or a hand mixer, mix this till everything is combined really well. Once the mixture is well incorporated, let's add in the egg. Beat this mixture till the egg is completely mixed in and the mixture should be light in color. Now let's switch over to a sifter and sift in the flour and baking soda into the wet ingredients. Once the flour and baking soda is sifted, switch back to the whisk and mix the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Once everything is well combined, make sure to get all of the dough from the whisk. Add in the chocolate chips into the dough. If you like extra chocolate, feel free to add in more chocolate chips. Now it's time to switch to a spatula and fold in the chocolate chips into the cookie dough. Cover the cookie dough with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour. This will allow the cookies to be well shaped, soft, and have more intense cookie flavor. Now preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I got here a large baking sheet pan that I lined with foil paper and greased with oil really well to prevent the cookies from sticking. Parchment paper works really well too. Now use an ice cream scoop to spoon out the dough into the sheet pan. You can also do this by hand. I'm baking 8 cookies and leaving the rest of the dough in the fridge for later use. Bake the cookies for about 12 to 14 minutes. The cookies are baked and ready to enjoy. Nothing is better than a chocolate chip cookie that has melty chocolate in every bite and an intense cookie flavor. The cookies are super soft, decadent, and irresistibly good. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And to see my other recipes, make sure to click one of these or this one, and to subscribe, click right here. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching.